Hi, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. You're going to start out with 1 cup of chocolate chips. To the chocolate chips, you are going to add in 2 cups of self-rising flour. This will ensure your chips won't sink to the bottom of the Bundt pan. Then you're going to have to mash 3 ripe bananas. And you're going to add in 2 cups of granulated sugar. Then goes in a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, then you're going to add in 2 large eggs. Now time for my favorite, a little bit of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to grease and flour my Bundt pan. Make sure you shake out all the excess. There it is, greased and floured. Now we're going to combine our dry and wet ingredients. There it is, all combined and ready to be poured into the Bundt pan. Now you want to place your Bundt pan in a 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. And here it is done. I didn't get an actual footage of the entire cake because as soon as it came out of the oven, it was practically devoured. But here's my piece. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. I hope you enjoyed. And if you are new, welcome. And please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you are notified for more upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching.